before I had my lathe, this bench was my tinkering bench. It means I'd just come in here and tinker on it. But now that the lathe is there permanently, I've lost that bench space. So I've came up with a solution, and I can't take credit for it. I saw it on the YouTube's machine, and I thought that's a brilliant idea. And I honestly cannot remember which channel I saw it on, and I apologise for not giving credit where credit is due. But it's somebody that's got a really tiny shop, smaller than mine, and I thought, man, if he can do it, so can I. So
let's go and make something.
So I want my ruler. There it is. And the gap between there and there is 32 centimeters. Man, that's a big gap. 32 millimeters. Let's see what we can go and find. What do we got? That and that. That looks about 30 millimeters. Sometimes you get lucky. Okay. We'll go 800. Sometimes you get lucky. That fits in there perfectly. It's exactly what I want. 800 by 600. So I haven't quite got a big enough bit of ply. I'm just going to cut it down to 800 by whatever length this is. Not 800, 600 by whatever length this is. So it's a little bit smaller, which is no problem. It's 750, so that's no problem. I guess I forgot to put the vacuum on. And the height of that, 193 and a half. That's why I got the blocked hole and a blocked port. There. This doesn't have to be super accurate. Put that there. Well, there you go. Gives me a wee bench on top of my lathe. I don't have to remove the lathe, and I just put the bench on top of it. Unfortunately, I'm sorry, I cannot remember the name of the channel that I saw this idea on. It's on the YouTube machine, Tiny Workshop or Tiny Shop something. I'll put the link in down below if I remember it. Kia kaha, stay strong, and we'll catch you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.